Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 66 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. We are finally on the last exercises on 4 notes with number 97. This one is deceptive, so be careful as you come down.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So looking at 97, going up seems pretty innocuous. You just da 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 da. Seems pretty easy. But then as you come down, you have to da 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 da. So those intervals as you're coming down are a little trickier to navigate. So just make sure you take the time to work those out before you get into doing this exercise. And here is exercise 97. Oh.